Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, General Manager at Keystone RV, and I'm excited to share two all-new ultra-lightweight towable floor plans from our Bullet Crossfire lineup. We have designed these two models specifically to eliminate every barrier that keeps campers from getting into their first RV. I'm standing in front of our all-new 1700 BH bunkhouse and our 1900 RD couples coach. These two single-axle models pack a whole lot of living space and functionality into less than 22 feet and under 3,500 pounds, which means both of these can be easily towed by a small to mid-size SUV. If you've been thinking about taking your camping adventure to the next level with an RV, the super affordable Bullet Crossfire 1700 BH and 1900 RD make it really easy. These two 2024 models are shipping to our dealers all across North America now. You can learn more about our Bullet Crossfire or our Bullet Ultralight lineup at keystonerv.com/bullet.